We've all faced it. The frustration, the lag, the digital roadblocks that halt creativity. While entertainment explodes, a crucial truth remains unseen. The tech content landscape lies dormant, waiting. But now, a seismic shift begins. The AI PC revolution is not just coming, it's here, globally. At its core, invisible intelligence transforms your device into a superpowered assistant. Imagine students in Lahore crafting complex code, not struggling, but creating at warp speed. Artists in Karachi, their visions unleashed, generating breathtaking visuals with just a thought. Professionals everywhere, collaborating seamlessly, analyzing data with unprecedented clarity. From instant translation to predictive analytics, these machines don't just compute, they anticipate. This isn't just about speed, it's about elevating every interaction, captivating an audience hungry for quality. The AI PC is not merely a gadget. It's your next super intelligent assistant, a gateway to the future. Are you ready to transcend the ordinary, to command the extraordinary? The Pakistan YouTube market snapshot reveals a strong preference for high-production entertainment. Music, film and animation, with high views and engagement. However, technology, as a category, is not prominent. And current search results for technology, a low quality and low view, indicating an underserved audience. The AIC's trend is globally significant and directly impacts consumers, making it highly relevant. By delivering a cinematic, informative video on this topic, the creator can capture a significant share of the nascent high-quality tech content viewership in Pakistan, distinguishing themselves from the low-bar competition. The broad appeal of AI ensures a wide audience, while the specific focus on AICs provides a fresh, actionable angle. Witness diverse individuals in modern Pakistani settings, focusing on students and professionals, showcasing their lives enhanced by AI, from creative tasks to daily efficiency. Conclude with dramatic reveals of sleek new AI PC hardware, poised to redefine computing. The frustration of current computing? Slow, outdated, limiting. Now, imagine seamless, elegant visuals, AI PC experiences. The invisible power within chips. How it integrates with your software. Dynamic motion graphics. Feature explanations. Diverse individuals. Modern Pakistani settings. Lives enhanced. Students. Professionals. Artists. Transformed. Dramatic reveals. Sleek new AI PC hardware.